cheating is not illegal?
You say I say I'm Izzy. I'm Izzy gang. We got cheaters getting caught on camera with brutal. Hey, I did this video before. We finna jump straight into it though. How y'all been? How y'all been? Let me know in the comments down below. We finna get this straight started. I love the last one. We finna love this one. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos about this crazy crap. Cause y'all really be cheating on y'all partners. Like, are y'all crazy? Girl cheat on me. I ain't even gonna really trip for real. But we finna jump straight into it. Let's get it. Husband caught his wife cheating on him. We need to talk.
Well, it turns out that you were at the park, lying down in a blanket with another guy holding hands.
Laying down in the park holding hands is crazy.
Well, it's not a divorce until you sign the papers.
Well,
So,
the papers. Where are the papers?
I have,
Bring them.
and I will.
Oh my God. I'm not even being over dramatic this time. I ain't gonna trip. But you still in my house, using my brush, wearing probably the clothes I bought you, saying I can do what I want. We're basically divorced, but you just gotta sign the papers. Who the fuck do you think you are? Let me chill. It's supposed to be good times.
So until then, it's actually considered cheating.
Wow, did you know that cheating is not illegal?
She gonna look at me and say, but cheating is not illegal. What the fuck? What you mean? It's not illegal, but why? Why are you saying it like that's cool? I don't spit on my damn face.
So you admit to cheating?
I'm not cheating. I'm not with you. Last year I told you, go fuck yourself.
Go fuck yourself.
By
All right,
law,
chill.
it's cheating against the divorce papers or something.
Do you know that cheating is not illegal?
It is.
Really?
It's
Go talk to
adultery.
your lawyer.
It's adultery.
Go talk to your
So
lawyer.
you admit to adultery.
Go talk to your lawyer.
So you admit to adultery. Oh, so she's getting violent now.
You getting violent?
Oh my God.
That's violent. That's getting violent.
Get out
You
of
can't
the room,
push me.
please.
That's pushing. That's pushing. That's assault. You just assaulted me.
Oh my gosh.
You just
Bro,
assaulted
just
Who has
stop,
a
bro.
record? Who
You don't
has
have
a
to.
record?
You don't have to really record this, but I feel you. But
That's assault.
I just leave her alone, bro. Just leave her. Tell her to get up and fuck out my house and be gone. All right, next clip.
Yo, Alana. So, what happened? Why you playing both of us? Telling us the same exact thing, Alana. Why? Why are you doing us both wrong, Alana? This isn't right. You're telling us the same.
Alana. Why are you playing these two gentlemen like they not really? Let me chill.
Exact thing. You were with me last night, weren't you? We had sex last night, didn't we?
Did?
We did?
Okay.
When was the last time she had sex with you?
Okay, we had sex last night.
We did.
We had sex last night.
We did.
Okay.
Alana, you're caught. You did us both wrong. And you chose me, then you chose him.
Why do you think I chose him?
Go ahead. You're on camera.
Because you keep crying, because you keep everything, and you
Yeah.
know that.
2 years of our...
Exactly, and you keep crying. Why
What do you have to say about this, bro? Does she cry to you all the time, right? Yeah, she cries to you all the time too, right? It's okay, bro. Alana, it's okay.
Alana. What the fuck, Alana? You had sex with both the niggas? But you want that nigga to keep feeding you pasta and lost? Man, come the fuck.
Playing us both, we agreed upon this. Yeah, she has all your stuff at the house. You know what she told me about the 3 kids and all that in your house? That it was her aunt's house.
I told you for a fact, Ian.
And she was in the bathroom and all.
Text you, say baby.
Yeah, she did. And then what did she text you at the same exact time? At the same exact time, bro. You're doing us both wrong.
Ian, how many times have I tried to break up with you and go bye because I feel
That
bad.
never happened.
Go look through the messages. Ask him to look through the messages.
I ain't even pausing no
Ilana,
more.
why you
How y'all feel about this? Let me know.
Disappointed.
Both of them?
And I did. I told you like crazy.
Yeah.
How many times have you...
Ilana, you're not getting with any of us.
Okay, but how many times have you shaken every time we try to break up with you?
Here we go. Every time she keeps coming back to me, crying and all that.
Damn. What the fuck? Little mama, chill. What the fuck? Feisty ass. Soon as I... Man, let me chill. Fucking toxic. As soon as you walked in, bitch. Surprise! I know, you good. Chill. My fault for pausing it too much, but chill. What do you do?
Yeah. Been playing phone first and your...
Oh, shit! I didn't even see him right there. He don't even know what to say. I'm sorry, brother.
You've been tagging your cousin for the past year.
You been tagging my cousin?
Don't worry.
Why you been messaging me, you cunt, about who I am? Don't fucking point at me and say who am I. You know exactly who I am. Emily, do you want to...
Everybody calm down.
You have played people for too long. You have played without fucking emotions are good, but we're better, cunt. And do you know the good thing that's come about it?
What?
You've made us friends.
Oh, she done that for the
Friends.
last.
Yeah, she knows. Yeah, I nothing from her. It's only one fucking line.
Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down.
You've sat there and played her and me and your cousin.
Wait, listen, wait.
So you ain't been seeing her for the last 2 years. We've been together on and off, Kelvin, along with Kerry. 2 years. Along with Kerry.
This shit crazy.
Along with
Did you
Kerry.
wait?
For the last year.
Oh, brother, you're a stop. Oh shit. Oh, you'd fuck with all 3 of them, nigga. All 3 of them, nigga.
You're cousin.
What did I do from somewhere?
Yeah, you're fucking
I'm Emily that works in Travel Lodge. Yes, you know who the fuck I am.
So she wanted you to meet her. Wanted to meet her.
Well then.
Make her walk like them. That's the one.
Calm down, you
Yeah,
cheeky
that's
cunt.
the one.
Fucking
You
hell.
know, you can sit there and laugh. But do you
Sit
know
there and
what?
laugh.
You-
It's great.
Yeah.
We fucking played you.
Will you candy fucking
Listen,
camera?
we played you.
Fucking karma.
Don't even like
Hey. Y'all don't really gotta record these moments.
Don't talk to me like that. I don't give a fuck about the assistant water. You play people. You come in.
I didn't know if I heard that fan. I just turned it off. I hope it wasn't bothering me.
Stop, dude. Bro, give me my phone. Bro, give me my phone. Anthony!
Stop, bro, chill.
Bro, open the door. Open
No.
the door. Anthony, open the door. Come on. Anthony! Stop!
Are you really crying over?
See, I don't go through people's phones, but if you crying like that and you really want your phone, you must really have something that you don't want me to see. So what you doing? You showing your pussy out to these other niggas or what? See, I got to talk to him. So you showing your pussy or what? Nah, I'm shit. Oh my god.
Anthony, open
You're
the
really
door.
crying?
Open it.
Obviously, you're a piece of human being. Really? Yep, really. Go get back with Cassie. Don't expect to ever see Aspen again. Okay, well, I just caught you.
You said, okay, I just caught you. Yeah, I hit that shit.
I'm
Nah,
awesome
fuck
at home
you.
by
Fuck
myself.
that shit. I beat your ass if you play.
Nope, I'm blocking your number right now.
Damn, right now?
Okay, infidelity in the state of Idaho is a...
I know, a felony? Shit, my brother.
Good luck with that. Erica, Crystal... Busted. Fucking busted. I want a divorce.
I already knew this was gonna happen.
Busted. How long have you been cheating on me?
What does it matter?
That nigga, damn, nigga, what you mean? What does it fucking matter?
And you're
Oh,
laughing
put
because
ass
you're
in that
embarrassed
nigga,
as you look like a
We're
asshole.
already talking about it.
Fuck, nigga. That'd be that son of a bitch. Be that bitch ass
No, you
nigga.
didn't know.
Oh yeah, I did.
You're not that smart.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
I already
you wouldn't have showed up over here. You were that smart.
Please, 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 please.
You ugly when you cry.
Please.
Please.
Walter. Please. Please. Please.
The fuck are you, 10?
Can you please stop acting like that?
I can't.
Alright, calm down.
I'm hurt. Please.
Please what?
Please. 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 Please, Walter. Please, Mommy. Please. Please.
Wait, she a teenager? You gotta be. What the fuck, mommy?
Please.
Please, please. What the fuck is this?
Please. 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 Please.
Please what?
Please take me back.
I took you
You
back.
don't want to be with you and everybody else. I want a family away. Please take me back. Please take me back. Please. Please take me back. Please.
If you begging for a person to take you back, I really don't even feel like bad for you. It's like, nigga, it's a bunch of people in the world. God does this shit. Like, you see, you fucked up mentally with this person or what, but it's like the people you around can really change the way you act. And this is obviously not the right person for you if you bitching and crying over this nigga, or he crying over you, or you want to be a hoe but he don't want you to be a hoe. It's like, it's just fuck. Just do what you. Just do you. You shouldn't even be begging. Just fucking leave his ass.
Take me back, please. Please take me back.
This what we do
Is
now?
that shit fake? See how she tried to grab the phone at the end?
This what we do now? Where is he at?
Listen, babe.
No, there's no listen. This is what we do now?
Let me get some be that
Yeah,
ass.
hold on.
I think I remember. Did we see this last
Hold
video?
on. What's up with time on? Yo, this shit shorty, gang? This shit shorty, though? This shit shorty? Yo, stand up here. Stand up.
He caught the ass. What the homie?
That's my boy. Last night.
What you mean that's your bitch? So you not finna fight over? You just caught her cheating with another nigga, you gonna fight over?
So you gonna come do something for everybody right now? That's how you moving? That's how you moving? That's how you moving? That's how you moving, bro? Chill, bro.
Fucking
Girlfriend gets caught cheating on boyfriend.
This what you doing while I'm at work? This what's going on while I'm at work? This is what's going on? What's
Man, she talking to a nigga wild with no fucking.
Who is this?
Who the fuck is that nigga? Bitch.
Bro, who is it? Bro, now what are you doing now, bro? What are you doing with this shit? Now bro, who is this?
Dude,
I'm paying the phone bill. This what you doing?
I don't care.
This is what you doing
Hang
while I'm
up
paying
the phone. Give me my phone.
What are you talking about? Nah, bro, this is
I
what you
just don't
doing?
see this shit. Like, you get mad at me because I call you out. Why the fuck you even waste my fucking time? I just don't understand people. I don't understand people, man. God, man. Fuck. Shit pisses me off. It's like, I don't understand people. It's like you fucking waste my time. You cheating. You just don't just say I don't want you. Just say I don't want you. Don't even do this dumbass shit. When I call you out, you get mad at me like, what the fuck?
Really? Bro, then tell him hang up.
Matter of fact, just get
Just
your
fucking
stuff.
get
Get out of my house.
Dead
Oh,
ass.
this joke. Oh, you want to her house. You just paying the phone bill. Shit.
Be my girl. Where you going, bro? Now, where you going, bro?
He said, we going, nigga.
You let that nigga run my baby. I keep the door in, y'all. I let a couple of niggas. Dariana, Jakari, your little baby dick. Come on, man. I know your every move. No. You run my baby.
Damn.
I'm not sorry.
Don't record. I'm checking you.
Hey, if he punched the girl, I'm sorry. I'm going to close up the whole video now for him.
You can't. You did. You in the bed with my son, right?
But not, I don't fuck with domestic violence. Please don't fucking hit women. Do not hit women.
I don't care.
Cause I already knew you gonna call the police. I'm gonna get low.
I don't care. I don't care.
You ain't
Don't
gonna
say you don't care. It's like, I just don't understand. I don't understand. You fucking with the nigga with the kid and you got both the kids in the bed. You doing this in front.
What?
You're doing this in front of the kids. You're doing this in front of the kids. You're doing this in front of the kids. What is wrong with you niggas, bro? Damn. Fuck.
Come on, leave. You come on, leave. I'm tired of you sitting on floor. Come on, I'm gonna check you. I'm not leaving until I check you on the last, boy. If I don't check you, I'm for the chase you. I'm chase you home. Man, you ain't got no loves you. Caught the cheating, red-handed.
I'd like to ask a really important question. Anna, I know that you hooked up with Joe when we're dating. And
like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying the video so
my
far.
best friend
This shit pisses me off. I can't even speak.
What are you talking about? I think that's disgusting. I didn't. I saw you. I've seen you guys on Snap Maps. I've seen you guys on Snap Maps for literally weeks. I've seen you on Snap Map, and then yesterday. No. Yesterday, my mom called me and told me that she saw you guys together holding hands at the park.
Caught red-handed. See, look at that shit. I didn't even know the video was going to end. I'm so into the damn video. Video ended on me, and it shot me to a whole nother video. But, hey, listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, join the crew. We're going to keep on growing. Turn on post notifications for anytime I post. I might even hit you with another reaction after this. But, hey, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to keep on grinding. Let me know if you fuck with the new outro. Let's get it.